Hello and welcome to this easy standing stretch. You're not going to need anything special for this one, just some empty space. So when you are ready, meet me in a comfortable standing position. Your feet can be about hips distance. Stand up nice and tall. Allow your shoulder blades to slide down and back. Take a big inhale through the nose and exhale out the mouth. On your next breath, reach your fingertips up toward the sky. Interlace your fingers, make a little basket for your head, opening your elbows out nice and wide. Coming into some side bends. Take one elbow down, the other elbow goes up. And then switch over and go to the other side, just waking up the spine. The next time you come up through center, stay there, take your elbows out nice and wide. And then on your exhale, round the back, gaze toward the ground. See if you can bring your elbows closer together. And again, we'll take a few more like this, opening on your inhale. And on your exhale, rounding the back. Take one more like this. Inhale to reach your fingertips up, and we'll take a twist. Right fingertips go back, left fingertips go forward. Reach, 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 making yourself as long as you possibly can. Inhale to reach your fingertips up, and we'll do that on the other side. Right fingertips reach forward, left fingertips reach back. Inhale to reach your fingertips up. Allow your arms to come by your sides. Give everything a little shake out. Interlace your fingers behind your back. Draw your knuckles down toward the ground, really opening it through the chest. From here, deep bend in your knees, hinge at the hips, coming into a forward fold. If at any time this is too much for your shoulders, just release your fingers. Allow your arms to hang, and you can grasp for opposite elbows. Wherever you are, feel free to add a little sway from side to side, waking up through the hips. Let's slowly roll our way up to standing. When you get there, take a few shoulder rolls, squeezing your shoulders up towards your ears, and then sliding them down and back. After you've gone a few in one direction, go ahead and switch and go the other direction. Shoulders going forward. Find some stillness through the upper body. Right foot comes forward, left foot goes back, coming into a hip flexor stretch here. Allow your hips to release towards the ground. Your hands can be to your hips, or for a little bit more, reach your fingertips up toward the sky. Come into a side bend over to the right. You should really start to feel this through your left hip flexor. Take one more full deep breath in here. Slowly shift your weight into that front leg, bringing your left knee in towards your chest. Give it a little squeeze when you get there. See if you don't fall over. And when you're ready, begin to circle the ankle, going in one direction and then the other. Okay, let's do that on the other side. Left foot comes forward, right foot goes back, hip flexor stretch. Adjust your stance as you need. Hands can be to your hips, or inhale to reach up and exhale, side bend over to the left this time. From here, as gracefully as you can, bring your right knee in towards your chest. Give it a little squeeze when you get there. Start to circle the ankle, going in one direction and then the other. From here, find a wide stance. Toes point out a little bit. Sink your hips down, coming into a goddess pose. We're gonna take some shoulder drops. So hands to your knees, or right above your knees to your thighs. Drop one shoulder, look up and over, and then the other. Great for not only waking up the legs, the inner thighs, but the shoulders and the upper back. One more like this. Come through the center, press into the feet, raise yourself all the way up to standing. Maybe you want to give yourself a little wiggle when you get there. Shift your weight into your left foot. We'll find a quad stretch on the right side. So right foot comes towards right glute, knees nice and close together. Think about driving your right knee towards the ground as you stand up nice and tall. From here, another challenge for your balance. Are you ready? See if you can gracefully transition into a standing figure four. Right foot hooks on the left knee and you sit your hips down as far as you can. Right knee stays out, going nice and wide. See if you can keep your hips level. Take one more full deep breath in. Come back up to standing. Give that right leg a little shake out. We'll do that on the other side. Shift your weight into your right foot. Bend the left leg. Left foot comes to the glute for a nice quad stretch. From here, standing figure four. Slowly let go of the left foot. Bring the left foot across the right knee. Sit your hips as far down as you can. Hands can be in front of you for a little bit of balance or to your hips. Or feel free to grab hold of something or someone. Last breath. Slowly come all the way up to standing. Give everything a little shake. Blend with one more full body stretch. Inhale to reach your fingertips up. And exhale, cactus your arms out to the side, opening through the chest. Thank you so much for practicing with me today. I hope you enjoyed this one. I want to give a big shout out to the Pontiac Artisan Innovation Center and everyone who works there. They reached out to me last week and said that they've been using my videos to stretch before work, which is awesome. I love to hear that. So thank you guys. And if anyone else has a similar story, I would love to hear it. So you can leave me a comment down below or you could send me an email. Thanks again for stretching with me today, and I will see you again soon. Bye.